Hey, creators! Ready to supercharge your workflow with a gadget that's as sleek as it is powerful? Today, we're diving into the Framer Creator Micro 2 by WorkLouder, the limited edition macro pad built to make your Framer designs pop and your productivity soar. Let's unpack its specs, features, and why it's a game changer. Stick around. First off, what is the Framer Creator Micro 2? It's a compact, customizable keyboard designed for designers, developers, and anyone who loves creating, especially in Framer. Launched in April 2025, this little beast is all about giving you tactile control over your workflow. Whether you're publishing a site, tweaking CMS, or jumping between apps like Figma or Premiere Pro, the Micro 2 has your back. And trust me, it's not just for Framer. It's a workflow wizard for any creative tool. Let's talk specs. This thing is gorgeous. It's got a frosted polycarbonate case with a CNC aluminum base, so it's sturdy yet lightweight. The Micro 2 rocks 12MX style switches. Yep, they're clicky and satisfying, with palm and POC materials for that premium feel. You also get 2 rotary encoders for smooth scrolling or zooming, plus a joystick for radial menus. Oh, and the RGB backlighting. Fully customizable with underglow to match your setup's vibe. It's wireless with Bluetooth, connects to 3 devices, and has a 1900 mAh battery. Or go wired with USB-C if that's your jam. Now the magic happens with its features. Those 12 keys, they unlock up to 48 shortcuts across 4 layers. Map them to do anything, like publish in Framer with one tap or insert media in a snap. The encoders let you adjust settings like brush size or timeline scrubbing, and that joystick. Click it to pull up custom menus for your go-to actions. It's all programmable with WorkLouder's input configurator. Super intuitive, no coding needed. It even auto-switches presets when you open Framer or another app. Mac, Windows, iOS, Android, it works everywhere. So why should you care? The Micro 2 isn't just a tool, it's a creative sidekick. It's built to save you time, cut the clutter, and make your work feel fun. Plus, it's a limited run, so once pre-orders sell out, that's it. If you're a Framer fan or just want to level up your setup, this is your shot to grab something special. And there you have it, the Framer Creator Micro 2 in all its glory. Want one? Pre-orders are live now, but they won't last long. Drop by WorkLouder's site, link in the description, and secure yours before they're gone. Shipping set for Q3 2025, so get in early. What do you think ready to add this to your desk? Let me know in the comments. Hit that like button if you're hyped, and subscribe for more tech that sparks creativity. Until next time, keep creating.